Hello and welcome back to another stitch tutorial from SandraStitches. Today we are going to learn how to work the bar stitch. Now this is a really simple stitch and I think it's really beautiful. Look the texture it gives us, and we can use it as you see here in the sample. I use two colors, so it's more coming to life, or you can work it in one solid color. You can change colors all the time in different colors. It's up to you. It's a wonderful stitch for blankets, especially for baby blankets. As you see, there are no big holes, so those tiny little fingers don't get wrapped up into the holes. It's great for actually anything you want to use it for, and it's really simple. It's a 2-row repeat, so let's get started with it. I am going to be using a 5mm hook, and I will use two colors so that we can see the how the pattern comes to life, right? For the purpose of this stitch, the multiple, it's going to sound a little strange, but the multiple is 3 plus 3. I know you say, okay, so it's just 3, but no, believe me, it's 3 plus 3. So we are going to start by making a slip knot and chaining in multiples of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I add another 3. It sounds crazy. So we have our chain. Let's count how many chains we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 18 chains. Row number 1, we start with a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, which means that we don't count the loop on our hook. It does not count. This is our first chain. We skip it and we work one single crochet into the second chain from the hook and one single crochet across in each chain. So yarn, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up through 2 loops. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through 2 loops. This is a single crochet. One single crochet in each chain until the end. This is row number 1. This stitch we have to make 3 rows at the beginning, which are the foundation rows, and only row 4 we start our row repeat. So it's a 2-row repeat, but it starts in row 4. This is important to say because, you know, we say it's a 2-row repeat, but we started only at row 4. We need the foundation to get this texture, these bars kind of texture. So let me get some yarn as usual and finish this row of single crochet. This is the first row. Because we had 18 multiples of 3 plus 3, and I started in the second chain from the hook, I should have now 17 stitches. So let's count, it's important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I have 17 stitches. Always we should have 1 stitch less than the foundation chain. All right, row number 2, we chain 1, does not count as a stitch. We turn our work and we work one single crochet in the first stitch from the hook and one single crochet in each stitch. This is again a very simple single crochet row all across, one single crochet in each stitch across to the length that you want your project to be. If you're making it blanket, so obviously it's going to be longer. If you're making, I don't know, a top, maybe you're making a washcloth, maybe you're making something for the table, a table runner, whatever you want to make work this stitch, you will decide, and it depends the length that you need. All right, so here I am finishing my second row of single crochet. Don't forget the last one. So again, I have 17 stitches on my row. Row number 3, we chain 1, turn our work. Now, row number 3 is still a foundation row, but it's different, and we work the foundation for the bars to become bars. All right, so it's a little bit tricky, but don't worry, we'll make it work. So chain 1, turn our work. The chain 1 does not count as a stitch. We single crochet 1 in the first stitch from the hook and in the second stitch from the hook. So we start with 2 single crochet at the beginning, and we will end again with 2 single crochet. This is why I said that it's multiples of 3 plus 3, very important. Now, the next stitch is going to be a front post double crochet done at the around the single crochet from the first foundation row. So we need to identify where is our third single crochet. This is our first one. This is our second one. You can see by these V's, okay? And this is our third one. So we start our double crochet by yarning over, and we go around this single crochet here in the first row and finish our double crochet. Okay, this row is a little bit complicated, kind of, not complicated, but kind of, you know, not easy to work, but afterwards it's a piece of cake. So this is our third stitch. We did 2 single crochet, 1 front post into the single crochet from the first row, 2 rows below, right? Now we continue into the next stitch. Make sure the double crochet is 1 stitch here, we skip it, and into the next stitch 1 single crochet and another single crochet into the next stitch. So the sequence will be 2 single crochet, 1 front post, 2 single crochet, 1 front post, and this is how we are starting to make these bars, right? That's it. 2 single crochet, 1 front post, 2 single crochet, 1 front post double crochet. So let's make it again. We work this single crochet here, 1, 2, we skip, and we have to work our next one in the third single crochet from 2 rows below. So 1 double crochet, front post double crochet, and continue in the next stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next, and again 1, 2 into the third, front post double crochet, like so, and 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and again 1, 2, third, 1 front post double crochet in the next stitch. Make sure you skip the stitch which is corresponded to this front post and continue with 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 front post in the third here, 1 front post double crochet, and we finish with 2 single crochet at the end, 1 and 2. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 17 stitches. We have to make sure we have the same amount of stitches all the time. Right, now it's row number 4 is the beginning of our row repeat, the 2-row repeat. I will change colors now so you can see it more, it's more, you know, comes out more easily. So to change color, instead of finishing my single crochet from the previous until the end with the pink color, I will use my, what's this, kind of beige color. And I will finish my single crochet with my beige color and chain 1. Afterwards, of course, you can weave in your ends and everything. Chain 1 and turn your work. Okay. Now it's row number 4. Row number 4, we are working 1 single crochet across. So we start with 1 single crochet at the beginning and 1 single crochet in each and every stitch. Of course, we work a single crochet on top of the front post from the previous row. In every stitch across, 1 single crochet. I see that this yarn I picked is heavier than the pink one, so I should change my hooks, but it's okay. We'll continue using it. It's just for the presentation. So, but you have to make sure if you change colors to have the same weight yarn, so it doesn't, you know, make your work bigger, longer, narrower, whatever. Okay, so this is 1 single crochet row across. This is row number 4. We chain 1, and for row number 5, which is the second row of the 2-row repeat, it's going to be really easy because we don't have to look for the stitch where to put the front post. It's already here. So we start with chain 1, turn our work. Of course, the chain 1 does not count, and we start with 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the second stitch, and 1 front post double crochet in the next stitch. So we yarn over and we front post here. We already have the front post here, so we front post. We go around this one and finish our double crochet, and then we work our next 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and the next one again a front post. We use the front post here, front post double crochet, 1, 2, and 2 single crochet in the next 2, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches, and 1 front post. And this is it. We continue until the end. 1, 2, and 1 front post double crochet here. 1. Let me get some more yarn. 1, 2, and 1 front post in the last front post, and we always finish with 2 double crochet. We start with 2 not doubles, sorry, single crochet. We start with 2 single crochet and we finish with 2 single crochet. Can you see how it comes out, how it comes about? This is changing colors. If you don't want to change colors, so you continue. Now we start the repeat. So the repeat is row number 4 and 5. So we chain 1, turn our work. Row number 4 is a single crochet row across. So single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me get some yarn. I don't know how people do it, that they don't show to get yarn in their videos, but I always struggle with it. Okay, so 1 single crochet across. This is row number 4, the first row of our repeat. Okay, yes, this is a much heavier yarn, so it kind of gets bulkier. It doesn't matter, you choose your yarn and make sure it's the same weight. All right, chain 1, row number 5. It's the second row of our repeat, so we start with chain 1, 2 single crochet at the beginning, 1, 2, and a front post. And we have the front post here. Again, we don't have to look for it, we have it here, so we use it. And we front post double crochet and continue 1. Oops, I missed 1. Make sure, if you are not sure, so look behind and see which one will be your next stitch. This stitch is for the front post and this one will be my next stitch. Okay? And of course you can remember you need to have 2 single crochet in between each front post. So this is it. You continue until the end and you have your bar stitch. Really, really easy and nice and texture and also very dense stitch that you can use to make beautiful, beautiful crochet pieces. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you in our next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new stitch tutorial or a vlog or whatever video I upload. Bye bye.